Conantino SMM Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think social media management is just about scheduling posts, but Conantino takes it to the next level with collaboration, workflow, and approval tools designed for teams and agencies. Conantino is a social media management platform built to simplify planning, scheduling, and content approval for brands. One standout feature is its campaign calendar, which gives a clear visual overview of all scheduled posts across multiple platforms, making planning months ahead simple and efficient. Most people get this wrong. They assume all SMM tools are similar. The surprising truth is Conantino focuses heavily on team collaboration. You can assign tasks, request approvals from clients, and communicate directly within the platform, reducing the endless back-and-forth emails that slow down content production. Another advantage is analytics. Conantino provides performance metrics for each post and campaign, helping teams identify what works and what doesn't. While not as advanced as enterprise-level analytics platforms, it's more than sufficient for small to medium businesses or marketing agencies. However, there are considerations. Conantino doesn't include some features like social listening or automated AI-generated content, so it's best used for teams focused on content planning and client approvals rather than fully automated campaigns. Pricing is also tiered based on the number of users, which can get costly for larger teams. In conclusion, Conantino is a powerful and user-friendly tool for agencies and teams who want to streamline social media planning and client collaboration. If you prioritize workflow management and visual calendars, it's worth a look. Subscribe for more honest reviews of social media tools before upgrading your marketing workflow.